When you place certain pictures of your family on the wall or choose certain cushion covers, you're styling your home. The purpose is to strike a balance between aesthetics and functionality, and using this living room, I'll show you how it's done. Styling as a concept works very differently for different people, and at the end of the day, it reflects one's personality. However, while styling a space, you can definitely keep certain factors in mind. Let me break it down for you. The first of all being color, as it becomes a very essential part of your personality and your room's personality. And you can add this color using cushions, throws, rugs, and even artifacts for that matter. The next thing is object of personality. Object of personality could be anything from a very quirky artifact to your favorite artwork or to a souvenir that you really love. Then we can add some greens, some books to the room that sort of bring the entire room together. And then we can definitely add something personal to the room, like a mug that was gifted by a grandmom or your favorite family picture, anything that makes it feel like home. So let's have a look at what this room essentially consists of. It has this white wall with these moldings. It has this wooden unit, this Winchester fabric sofa, and that solid wooden table. So if you take a look at the room, it consists of browns and whites, and it's a really colonial looking room. So the colors that we've picked are yellows with a hint of gold and red that sort of complement the entire look of the room. Okay, great, let's dive into it. So we're adding these quirky looking artifacts on the table and on the unit with some books and some greens here and there. We're also adding a hint of gold on both the woods. On the sofa, we're adding a dull finish sequin cushion, and to complement that, we're adding a white and gold cushion. And to break the entire pattern of golds and whites, we're adding this yellow colored cushion. And on the side, we're adding these long candle stands that sort of give depth and definition to the entire room. And for the wall, we're adding this beautiful looking yellow and white painting. And then we've added some greens here and there. And with the painting, with the reds, with the golds and the whites, we're bringing this entire look together. Hope this makes it easy for you to understand styling. So go ahead, style your homes and subscribe to Livspace for more.
Like this video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for new home tours, interior ideas and more every week.